we were doing this afforestation for which we need to water the plants for first 4 years. Mr. Pradeep Kishan came to us, he told us you can do a different way. And he calls it rewilding as against afforestation. That means that you plant in a manner that you utilize local species which can survive these weather conditions, and it also increases the biodiversity of the area. So if you look at that, you see a lot of those white stones lying in the area in front, then the hill on the left with that rock, and it's going up, you can see it is going right up to the top. So this is called Project Krishna Leela with Karan Singh, our first chancellor. And when I brought him to plant this tree in 2019, when he was handing over to Dr. Kasturi Rangan, so I told him he was having a cup of tea here, brought him, sir, you have to plant this tree. So he said, what am I planting? I said, you're planting Arjun. So asking Karan to plant Arjun. So Raji said, let us resolve it, let's call it Milap. And that's how the plant has been named Milap. So we created an amphitheater, it's all of waste material. And 2016 batch first year students, they joined manual labor with us. In 2017, the first book launch from here by Mr. Myra, who was a member of the Planning Commission, sort of advisory board of NU. He launched his book called The Art of Listening from Here. And he said, you cannot call it the speaking tree because it's an IP item of Times of India center spread. So why don't we call it the listening tree? Because speaking everybody does, listening is the most difficult art. So since then this is called the listening tree. And in 2017 when Professor Kaikar was home in the summer vacation, in his own swimming pool he suffered a cardiac arrest and we lost him. So then I decided that let's create a park in his memory over here. So this park has been created by again using all waste material. President's car tire, new bus tire, all the broken this thing. This bench has been made out of the scrap that came out from the water heating system. And I bought only 5 pieces of cacti, including that pencil tree that you see.